In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear turn signal bulb on your 2003 to 2006 Infiniti G35 sedan. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's pop the trunk. Now, that is the rear turn signal bulb there, and the way to access it is from behind over here. For that, we need to get those two clips off. In order to do that, we will need a flat head screwdriver like that. Get the screwdriver and pry out the middle part of the clip. Clip comes off. Same process for the second one, and that clip comes off as well. Now let's get this cover out of the way. Now we can access the bulb. So that right there is the bulb holder for the rear turn signal bulb. Grab it and twist it left. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just the way I'm doing it in the video over here. Then you should be able to get the bulb holder out of the taillight. And once you get the bulb holder out, you should be able to just pull the bulb off. However, for some reason, it's stuck over there because of moisture, because it's just been sitting there for all these years. It may be a little bit hard, so you may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit. Just be patient with it, but it will come off. All right, once you get the bulb off, get the new bulb, align the pins on the bulb with the slots in the bulb holder over there, push it in, and that's pretty much it. Now we need to put the bulb holder back into the taillight and just follow along as I'm doing it over here. Make sure that the bulb holder sits flush like that, then twist it right, and that is pretty much it. See how easy that was? Now let's put the cover back on, and let's put those clips back on. Put the middle part of the clip in there, push it in, done and done. Let's check the turn signal bulb. That looks good, right?